Hey, it's Josh Merrick with Vibe Real Estate Group, and I'm here to give you a virtual open house tour at 1373 Treebank. You can come up your private drive here to a home that is tucked off the street in a quiet neighborhood of Esquimalt, just steps from the gorge waterway, gated access, surrounded by absolutely stunning gardens. You've got mature wisteria wrapping around the house. Beautiful red brick. This is one of your outdoor entertaining areas. And unlike most homes, nobody can see you regardless of where you're hanging out on the property. There's tons of storage with power wired, so if you wanted to put your RV here in the driveway, wraparound porches, just incredible details like the way that this maple was grown winding up over the years, and one of the biggest wisteria that I've ever seen with magnificent blossoms. Got this flagstone pathway that wraps around to the backyard. Everything is irrigated to provide water to the beautiful gardens. And you've also got some fruit trees. You got one little peach tree here, grapes. There's some cherries, plums. Listen to this water feature. The sound of running water really has a way of melting the stress. You can hear it from the comfort of your bedroom right there. Got a space for your hot tub. Great entertaining patio. Barbecue area. You got a little shed there. A really happy fig tree. A little pathway that winds around the back here. These beautiful cherry plums. Great storage shed with lights and power. Let's take you inside. All the windows have been updated. Electrical, plumbing. This sunroom in the front was originally made so you could cultivate tropical species or get some of your plants started in here before moving them out in the spring. You've got amazing wide and long plank, luxury vinyl plank flooring, gas fireplace, big windows and skylights let natural light in, and every window brings a little bit of the garden inside, so you got a true sense of tranquility in here. Open concept with an amazing layout. You've got this office space with another gas insert, huge bay windows. Everything is no step with wide hallways and wide doorways. So if you have mobility issues, this home is perfect for you. Off the kitchen, you got this amazing sunroom. So you can experience the garden in all seasons. and any weather. And it's climate controlled. You've got a heat pump duct in here, so you can cool it down if it's too warm in the summer and warm it up in the winter. The garage has tons of space for your hobbies, your vehicles, or maybe even convert it to some more living space. You got one of your 3 bathrooms over here. Get your front hall closet and another closet here. Ample storage. Oh, I almost forgot. A key piece of storage for the chef is built-in drawers in the closet to really make use of the space. Tons of counter space. Come around through here. You check out second bathroom. There's one bedroom here. Bedroom number 2. And your primary bedroom with this stunning view of your water feature in the gardens. You can wake up to the sound of a babbling brook and the light filtering in through the leaves. Your ensuite bath and your walk-in closet with lots of storage. There's room for several vehicles, and you're just 20-minute bike ride from downtown. Easy access to the highway, close to the water. It's rare that you get this much privacy this close to town.